Hello all, Marieke here for Studio Light. Today I hope to inspire and challenge you to create a shaker card using the Sweet Stories products. For my project today, I used stamp and cutting die 47 and 49, stamp 270, 328 and 419, cutting die 459, 494 and 460, paper pad 51 and 83, mask 150, shake 1 and shake 3, and bliss 11. Out of watercolor paper, I cut a rectangle 9.8 by 13.6 long. I ink blended the background using Stormy Sky Distress ink and faded jeans. I splattered some water and temporarily added a mask. Ink blended the raindrops on the background using chipped sapphire distress ink. Like with all my other projects, I did all the preparation beforehand to make it easier on myself. With the outer die of die cut 460, I cut 2 wide scalloped rectangles and 1 out of pattern paper. I glued the pattern paper onto a white one and scored the second one under the second scallop from the top and added some super tacky tape onto the top of the scored line. Glued it onto the back of the other one to create a top fold card base. Using the inner die out of die cut 494 to cut the cloud out of the inked panel. Inked up a small rectangle and 2 of the small clouds using Stormy Sky and faded jeans. Cut a strip of grey paper out of the earth tones paper pad and trimmed off the excess. Using the mirror technique, I stamped and heat set the puddle onto the grey strip of paper. I repeat the step with the same stamp the normal way to create 2 different puddles. To create a mirrored image, you will need a large flat stamp. I used one by My Favorite Things. You stamp the image you want to mirror onto the flat stamp and then onto your paper. This way it will mirror your image and you will be able to have more use of your stamps. I glued the small inked rectangle onto the base and the blister behind the inked panel. I let the blister dry for a moment so it would stick onto the paper. While letting it dry, I started assembling the card. The raindrops went onto the card directly. Filled up the shaker and adhered the inked panel onto the base using super sticky tape. Finished off the card by adding the sentiments, clouds and images. My pro tip for today When you adhere a sentiment onto the blister with liquid glue, add something like a clear block on top of it for some extra pressure. If you would like to see more of my card making videos for Study Light, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye!